Welcome back to Adventure Tech. We are here with LiTime. In this video, we're checking out the 48 volt, 350 watt pure sine wave inverter solar charger. This baby has everything you need built right into one unit. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use the links in the comments or the description. It'll get you over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. The LiTime 48 volt 3500 solar inverter charger integrates an inverter, battery charger, and transfer switch into a single system, which when AC power is available, it charges the house batteries and passes any excess AC power to downstream devices like TVs, microwaves. Once the AC power is lost, it converts DC power into AC electricity. You can have solar charging the batteries as well. So LiTime solar charger features integrative LFP battery management function and delivers pure sine wave, which is going to be safe for all of your devices. It's equipped with easy to read LED screen, which is really nice as well because some of these only got a couple of lights on it. This has indicating lights and LED screen. This also supports RS485 communication, which is important for a lot of people that are running server rack batteries. A solar inverter charger combines three essential components into one: the MPPT, pure sine wave inverter, and the LFP battery charger. The MPPT maximizes the efficiency of solar energy input, ensuring optimal charging to your batteries. Pure sine wave inverter delivers clean, stable AC power like what you have in your home, making it ideal for sensitive electronics. The lithium battery charger ensures efficient and safe charging for modern LFP batteries and other lithium batteries. This all-in-one solution simplifies solar power systems, providing seamless energy management. One of the great things about this is you don't have to worry about a bunch of conductors. Making sure all the conductors are done correctly, you have this one setup, so you have a lot less to worry about. This supports RS485 communications, which is really great. This enables effortless monitoring your battery input. This is a comprehensive solution. Output information, alarms, air status, charging mode, output mode, and enhancing user experience and efficiency. Server rack batteries. So right now this is 40% off, bringing it down to under $600, closer to $500, which is an amazing deal, and you get 30-day price guarantee, so you don't have to worry about the price dropping tomorrow. Use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time. These are really well built. LiTime has an amazing reputation, and this is one of their newer products, so it has some of their most advanced technology. Subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button, and most important, click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to see these deals.